What is up, everyone? This is Jojo the Techie back again with another review, and these are the Pixel Buds Pro.
We're gonna take on the world.
I got the new Pixel Buds Pro right when they went on sale, and my first mission was to check if they suffer from the same issue that the original Pixel Buds suffer from. And that was the constant cutting off of the audio, which happened randomly with no rhyme or reason. Whether I was indoors or outdoors, had my phone in my hand, in my bag, or across the room. So I took them outside, I took them on a plane, and I wore them around the house. I am happy to report that these buds finally got it right. No more audio cutting off, and no more of me wishing that I had never bought them in the first place. These are solid and definitely deserve the Pro classification that they have been given. But more about that later. Let's go over some of the specs. Just like their predecessor, the Buds Pro have a similar case to the original Pixel Buds, except a little wider, but somehow feels a little lighter, and definitely has a satisfying pop when you close it. It charges via USB-C and promises 11 hours of listening time with active noise cancellation off, and up to 7 hours with it on. It also promises 1 hour of listening time with a 5-minute charge and 3 hours when you charge them for 15 minutes. Now, I got these here in the color Fog, which is a very light, almost pastel hue. Each bud is designed to fit in your ear in a way that makes a complete seal so that you can have that immersive noise cancellation. Gone is that uncomfortable little tip that was using the old buds to cling onto your ears. And it brings 3 different size ear tips so that you can make sure it's the perfect fit. Interjecting here to let you know about Extra Smart Wallets. Extra has a thorough collection of slim wallets that come in different materials and colors. They offer RFID protection and have a neat little switch on the bottom to pop out your cards and IDs when you need them. Like my favorite, which is the carbon fiber card holder, which keeps all my cards safe, takes up very minimal space in my bag, and has a handy space outside where I can add even more cards. But I prefer to use that space to slide in the Extra Tracker card, which pairs with your phone and connects to a global lost and found network to help you locate your wallet in the event of a loss or theft. It is solar powered and can ring 2 ways, so you can also use it to locate your phone if you have your wallet on you but you can't find your phone. Right now, Extra is running a 25% off summer sale on their site, so check out the link in the description below to take advantage of this offer. The setup experience is similar to the original Buds as well, with fast fare popping up to assist you with pairing, and it even includes an ear tip seal check. You can also customize the touch controls by programming what the earbuds do when you swipe forward, swipe backwards, single tap, double tap, etc. For me, I pretty much left all the options as their defaults, except the touch and hold on the right earbud, which I customized to toggle active noise control. Other notable features you want to enable are multi-point, which allow you to connect your earbuds to any 2 Bluetooth devices at a time, and audio switch, which allows your earbuds to automatically switch between these connected devices. For example, if you're listening to music on your Chromebook, but then you get a phone call, the earbuds are intelligent enough to know that they need to switch audio to your phone so that you can answer your phone call with them. Now, for the feature that we all have been waiting for, the star of the show, and that is active noise cancellation, or ANC. The buds can cycle between active noise cancellation and transparency mode. You can do that using a touch control gesture, and let me tell you, it's really good. They have active in-ear pressure relief, which I got to experience myself when I wore them on a plane. The constant humming from the engine was completely gone, and I was able to enjoy my movie, but also let in just enough to let me know something was said over the loudspeaker that I needed to listen to. So then I was able to quickly use the touch controls to switch to transparency mode. Now, I'm not an audiophile, so I'm definitely not qualified to tell you how much bass it has or what frequencies they're hitting on a certain song, because I just don't know. But as someone who loves to listen to music and loves to listen to music loud, I can tell you that they sound really good and can get pretty loud, especially if you have noise cancellation on. That's my non-scientific review on that. The buds themselves are rated at IPX4 for sweat and water resistance, whereas the case is rated at IPX2. So, they'll be protected from sweat or water dripping or splashing onto them, but just don't drop them in the pool. You can also charge them wirelessly, just like the old buds. Finally, there are the features that are coming soon but didn't ship with the device, which I obviously cannot review, but that they are worth mentioning. Coming this fall in a software update, the Pixel Buds will have a full 5-band EQ that will let you customize the sound to your preference, and spatial audio, which will give you that immersive 360-degree sound that we all love so much from the movies. Well, that's it for my review of the Pixel Buds Pro. These are retailing right now for $199, and it's currently what I'm using to consume media on my MacBook, Chromebook, and Pixel. If you like this review, go ahead and give this video a like, click on subscribe, and while you're at it, click on that notification bell that you see down there. That's to let you know the next time I post a video. See you in the next one.